Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add and use container elements and shapes in your diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to that example page here, and as you can see I created a container element like this. Let me do it again for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do is expand the general tab here on the left hand side, and you will find the container elements or shapes at the bottom of that list. For example, a standard rectangle container like that, or a vertical one, horizontal one, and a listed one. So let me go with the standard container. Let me just change remove the sketch style here so that it has these solid shapes and corners here. So guys, let me explain what container elements are. You will find that minus button in the top left corner. If I click into it, it will turn into a plus button and the container will get resized, which means these container elements and shapes have been designed to store or to contain other elements. And you can do that, for example, and after that collapse the given container, but the element stored inside will still be there. However, as you can see, it will not take up space. That's what these containers are made for. So let me, for example, store that circle element here. Select it, press Ctrl C, position it on your container here. And what you want to do after that is click into that minus button, and as you can see, the circle element has not been removed. It has been stored inside the container. If I expand it by clicking into the plus button, it will still be there. So that's it guys, that's how these container elements work. Of course you can resize them manually and connect them with any other elements as well using these connectors here. And that's it. That's how you can organize your elements and shapes in your diagrams using container shapes on Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.